What is the investment and how does it work? Hello to everyone. Have you ever wondered why there are so few people willing to invest in different projects? The answer is simple. We are afraid of things which we poorly understand, which we do not deal with. Let's talk about investments in simple terms, as well as discuss concepts similar to investments. So, what is the investment and how does it work? Investments are the placement of capital for the purpose of making a profit, and in simple words, the investment of money in something that will bring more money over time than what has been invested. What is the investment for? Do not confuse the concepts of saving and investing. These are two fundamentally different processes. Savings is money that lies somewhere in a reliable place and is constantly depreciating due to inflation, on average by 10 to 15% per year. Investments are not only savings, but also increase your funds. It is investments that will help provide financial confidence in the future. Money has to work. Do you agree? Let's look at the main type of investments. Direct investments. In this type of investment, an investor himself participates in the search for an investment object and its management. For example, buying an apartment for renting out in the future. Portfolio investments. This is investing in shares or securities of an enterprise or project. For example, you buy shares of a company, the company develops, and the shares rise in price. And also often, part of the company's profit is paid out as dividends. By time, investments are short-term, up to a year, medium-term, from 1 to 3 years, or long-term, over 3 years. By style, investments are passive when a person invests money and keeps it without selling. This style is typical for long-term investing in large companies, as well as aggressive ones. This is investing in young projects. The second type of investing carries more risk of losing investments. But in cases of successful project growth, it brings much more profit than with passive investing. So let's summarize. Regardless of the type, style, and duration, investing is the way of placing money in order to get income, which can be both the main and non-main type of income.